Knock knock. Welcome back to my channel Thakuma Julie, and today I'm back once again at Madhurima with another very authentic recipe of Bengal, and it is basically a recipe from East Bengal and which is very popular. It is named as Kochuloti. So we will make today Kochuloti with Chingri Mach. There are varieties that you can have like Kochuloti with Chingri Mach. You can make Kochuloti with Shorsho Bata and Narkel. You can also make Kochuloti with just onion and garlic. So there are various varieties, and believe me, all the varieties are awesome. But today I will be showing you Kochuloti with Chingri Mach. So stay tuned and come along to see how to make that perfect Kochuloti. So the most important ingredient, this is Kochuloti. I've already cleaned it and kept it. In my next episode I will show you how to clean Kochuloti. See, these are already cleaned and nicely cut. This is the length that you should cut. Chingri Mach or the prawns, I've put salt and turmeric and marinated. This is ginger garlic paste, and I have taken green chilies, onions, thinly sliced onions. Apart from these, we'll need kalo jeera as well, and turmeric, as well as red chili powder. So I'll switch on the gas. Shorshe tel is a must. So first I'll take little shorshe tel and shorshe oil, mustard oil, and we'll fry the prawns. Not much, but little bit, maybe for 2-3 minutes. Because if you fry prawns a lot, then it becomes rubbery and the juicy flavor just goes away, which we don't want. So we'll just fry it for 2-3 minutes and take them out, because I don't want to put raw prawns into the curry. Yes, that's done. Those are fried and I'll keep it aside. Now it's time to put more oil, and lots of oil, mustard oil. This dish requires lots and lots of oil. So in total I have taken 2 tablespoons oil. That's the summary of the oil story. So let it heat nicely, and after it has once it's heated, the oil, we'll put kalo jeera. Let it splutter and the aroma be all around. We will also put this whole red chili into this, because this gives a very, very nice flavor. Onion goes in, the thinly sliced onions that goes in, and we'll fry it nicely until it is golden and translucent in the look and feel. Time for the ginger garlic paste. Now garlic is very important for Kochuloti, because what happens is, in Bengali we say gola chulkano, right? So sometimes you have a little irritation in the throat when you have it. To avoid that, one important step is garlic. You put a lot of garlic. Another step is putting tomato or something which is saar, tok jatiyo kichu. So that helps. Anyway, so I've put ginger garlic paste, and now goes the Kochuloti. We'll give a very nice mix. We'll saute it nicely See how we are doing it? And we'll cover and cook occasionally. We'll put salt also to taste. I'm not telling how much because it's absolutely as per taste. I have put half a teaspoon of salt in this. Time for turmeric and red chili powder. Basically, I put this Kashmiri mirch for the color. I don't use red chili a lot. Rather, I use green chilies because I love the flavor and it's good for your tummy as well. Now mix, mix, mix. It's time for you to cover and cook. Occasionally you will have to come saute it. Time for the tomatoes to get in. This is a small tomato which is roughly diced. Again give it a nice mix. Green chilies, that's my favorite. I love the flavor. And again saute. In Bengali cooking, one important step is this saute. You have to stir it continuously. See, it's getting done. Oil is coming out. We'll not put water separately. We'll occasionally cover and cook. So the water of tomatoes, then the water which comes out from kochuloti, with that only the dish will be cooked. Then the onions, we will not put additional water. It enhances the taste. Kochuloti is already soft. It's time for the prawns, the chingri mach to get in, because after putting the chingri mach we will maximum cook for 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, not more than that, because then the juicy flavor of the prawns will be lost, which we don't want. I'm mixing the prawns, kochuloti, everything together. Then we'll cover and cook for some time so that the flavors gets mixed. Tan-ta-na! It's done. It's almost done. One last ingredient which is left, and this is, you can see, sugar as per taste. Now in this I have put 1 teaspoon sugar. I love this towards, it should be sweet, it should be jhal, it should have all the flavors. That is how I like it. And Bengali cuisine, definitely it has a little sweet flavor in it. I'm pressing this green chilies for more flavor, and that's it. Your dish is done. See how it looks beautiful. Oil has separated. Wow. Time for plating it, dishing it out. Garam garam dhoa beroচ্ছে. You enjoy it. This is so tasty. You can see the prawns, they look so juicy. A lot of people put this cumin powder paste or cumin paste. I don't like to put it. If you want, you can. Now why I don't like it is, I love the raw flavor of kochuloti and chingri mach along with the garlic and the onion, that flavor. I don't prefer to put lot of masalas, otherwise the masala taste will be a lot, which taste or flavor will be a lot, which I don't want. And look at those drops of oil, mustard oil, that has the flavor. I will not leave even a single drop of mustard oil in the karai. I'll utilize all of them. This is the flavor. This gives the taste. Doesn't it look awesome? It tastes awesome. Believe me, try it out and you will surely love it. How will you have it? You can enjoy it with garam garam bhat. Afternoon for lunch with garam bhat. You know what? When I cook this, whenever in fact I cook it, I don't eat anything else. For me, this kochuloti with chingri mach and garam bhat. That's it. I don't require anything else. And trust me, you also won't require anything else. You can finish your entire rice with this and you would crave for more. It is so tasty and flavorful. So how did you like it? If you like it, please do subscribe my channel ঠাকুমার ঝুলি. I am signing off now. See you once again with another authentic recipe of Bengal. See you again soon. Bye. Take care, stay safe and keep watching my channel ঠাকুমার ঝুলি from Madhurima's Kitchen. Bye.